fucking alarm's going off. Get the window open actually, it's fucking hot in here. What the fuck's going on out here? Hey, there you go, finally it's shut up. It's been going off for about 2 minutes now. Literally, was going on for an extra 2 minutes before I started the video. You have finally shut up, haven't you? You piece of shit. Fucking middle finger. That looks like a cock.